I'm going to start to sketch with the fountain pen and the ink I showed you before, so the carbon ink, because it's absolutely 100% waterproof, just to try if the pen works fine. And then I start to trace. I'm following the reference image and I'm sketching like a comic. So the paper is not really comfortable to sketch with this kind of pen because it's really rough, but actually it doesn't matter, because with this pen I have no problem at all. I want to spend 1 minute to talk about this pen. This is a fountain pen, and usually you know the fountain pen are quite expensive. This brand is Wordsworth and Black, and actually I paid this fountain pen £25, so it's really quite cheap. I think the price is absolutely honest, and this is not the first drawing I'm doing with this pen, and I got this pen more or less 1 week ago, and I use this pen basically every day before do this work I'm showing right now. This pen works really fine, there is no problem. I used on any kind of paper, cotton paper, normal paper, rough, smooth. Well, there is no problem at all. As you can see, the workflow of this pen is absolutely amazing, so I'm going to highly recommend this pen if you like, of course, this kind of style. Now I stopped talking, and probably I'll cut off some part of the sketch just to avoid you get bored, because this is actually really personal style to draw and comics. So I'm basically follow the reference image. I will stop when I do some main part of the face on the portrait, like the eyes, the nose and the mouth, because for the rest it's just line. And as you can see, this pen works really good. The lines are absolutely clean, fine, and I didn't find any problem at all.